My man's down bad, bro.
Man takes 5 hours to eat a sandwich. Show him the shirt. Boats and hoes.
Boats and hoes.
What do you got to say to boats and hoes?
Best ever.
Evan, I think this theory will work. My plug does not work.
Woo! You bitch. My God. No, I feel bad for him.
Oh my God. With ranch. Nasty. Okay. That's nasty.
Very much. I don't know, it's looking good. What? Yeah. My man's down bad, bro.
We are at the beach.
Hey baby, back, hey.
I have not been to the beach in a while. Actually, that's a lie. I just went to Maine, so that's a lie.
I don't like sand. Just kidding.
It's hot. It's very
I'm
hot.
not a fan of sand. Well, no, I don't hate sand like Anakin does, but
I don't like sand. It's rough and it gets everywhere. Is it hot though? No, it's actually nice.
yeah, it's actually because it's usually like really hot at the beginning.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's getting hot actually. No, but look at these beach houses. Like, they're so nice.
It reminds me of Maine.
Yeah, it kind of does.
And
I know.
better.
Beach day, yay! Okay, we're running into the water. What are we doing?
I don't know.
We're playing.
Let's run and then dive in, and then we'll go. Elias is going super speed. Jump in, jump in, jump in. Ready? Alright, so I just realized as soon as I went in, I hit the button to shut it off. So, ooh. You dove through it?
Not really, I just kind of, I don't know.
Little story. We, all three of us, haven't been to the beach together since Maine, which was like what?
4 years ago.
4 or 5 years ago? That's crazy. That's a big wave.
I think it's been like 4 years.
Probably 4, yeah.
Yeah, it's 2018.
Alright, we diving in?
I think like 2018 was 4 years ago.
Wait, this is so annoying because the camera, I'm diving in. Should we just stand here? No, just stand and then just fall with it. Ready? Just fall. Huh? Let's chase the seagull. Chase the seagull. Chase it. Go. Go. Get it. Oh, this is still going after it. Look at Josiah. Hello. We got the raft.
Yeah.
It's not that bad anymore right
It's
now.
high tide now.
Oh yeah, it's all the water. The water's all choppy. You gotta go in. Come on, go in. Here.
Ow! Hit my head.
Wait, this is like whitewater rafting. Bring me up. Oh, it's sinking. Alright, ready? Look at it's all water. Oh my gosh, I'm out to sea in a raft. I'm out to sea in a raft. Insane. I'm go in it. Oh, never mind. Oh, you could have gone right here. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta catch this. Get in. Ah, I did it. I didn't fall. Not yet, at least.
It's okay.
Wait, here. Ready? Oh my gosh. How does he survive this? Just help me with this. Oh my god.
So we're just trying to catch a wave in this baby boat thing. I literally flipped over. More than once.
Here we go.
Uh-oh. Oh, that was kind of...
I'm gonna fall any minute now. That one right behind us. I'm pushing. Oh, that was the best. Alrighty, just got back. Well, not really yet, but this light's probably making me really white right now.
Yeah,
I don't know, but today.
I'm like the sun.
You like the sun?
Yes,
No, but it was pretty good. I had a lot of fun. We're going back later tonight, but dang, this sand is hot. But pretty good time. Body surfed, tried to surf, broke a surfboard. Pretty good. That's death.
It's actually not that bad.
Oh, it actually isn't. It's just a bunch of seashells. We're cracking all of them.
He said seashells.
Seashells. No, but if one's up, you're dead.
You'll get the shower.
Shia, you won't give me the shower?
Why?
You won't give me it?
No.
Okay. Just have, no, just have your time. Just have your time in there. Just have your time. No, just have your time.
Yeah, you can have the shower. It's cold.
Hello. Hello.
Burn.
Burn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah, I only have 3. Ready?
Okay, comment down below what would be your dream vacation.
Dream vacation.
Oh my goodness, that was so dumb.
Was it the camera? Wait, let me see that one. Try to hit the camera.
Okay, I can try to hit the camera.
Just like chuck it. Perfect. I have not been in a ball pit like this in years.
We probably have more space if we took out the inflatables.
Kind of comfy in here. All right, ready? What is one lesson of advice you have to give to anybody?
Life is what happens when you're too busy working.
That's a good. That is good.
And don't work too much. It doesn't make any sense being the richest man in the cemetery.
That's why I kill the rich men and take their money.
What Cinderella said when she got to the ball.
What? Any more for us today, Wayne?
Old Nick took Mary Jane behind the powerhouse. Old Nick stuck his Butterfinger in her Milky Way. That's how they got Baby Ruth. True story.
Oh my God, bro! You guys gotta tell me if you want more of Wayne. I think they're gonna love you, Wayne. You got anything for the fans?